In this tutorial, you will learn how to animate graphics in After Effects and how to render the final composite animation into a movie. In the torque video clip, the force labels move over time. After that, the torque label fades into view. We shall create these effects by animating position and opacity with keyframes. In After Effects, select the torque label and click on the arrow to the left of the layer name. Open the Transform menu to reveal which attributes can be keyframed. In the timeline, set the playhead to where you want the animation to end. If the label is fully visible at 3 seconds, the opacity will be 100%. Click the stopwatch icon to the left of opacity to set a keyframe. A yellow diamond appears on the timeline to indicate the attribute has a keyframe at time 3 seconds. Now move the playhead to where you want the animation to start. Set the opacity to 0. After Effects automatically adds a keyframe where the animation starts. Now let's animate the force labels to move with the Maya animation. Select the force label layer and open Transform Attributes. Place the playhead at the end of the Maya sequence at 1 second in the timeline. Set a keyframe for position in the force label layer. Move the playhead to time 0 where the animation starts. Drag the force label in the composition window closer to the red arrow. After Effects automatically sets a keyframe at time 0 for the label's position. Play the entire animation to see the position and opacity effects. To create the effect of the green arrow fading upward, we shall use a mask. Select the layer of the image with the green arrow. Go to Layer, Mask, and select New Mask. The mask appears as a yellow outline over the image in the composition window. Open the keyframeable attributes under the layer name. Under Masks, we shall set keyframes for the mask path. The full green arrow will be visible at time 3 seconds, so move the playhead there and set a keyframe for mask path. Now move the playhead to time 2 seconds and resize the mask so that the green arrow is not visible. After Effects automatically adds a keyframe at time 2 seconds. Play the animation to see the mask effect. We can render the composition into a movie file. With the composition selected, go to Composition, Add to Render Queue. In the Render Queue window, click on Lossless to open the Output Module Settings window. Select the movie format, for example QuickTime, then hit OK. In the Render Queue window, set where the output should be sent. Press the Render button to render the animation. You can now watch the animation outside of After Effects.